Hi everyone, Coach Atta right here, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the difference between UI UX and product design. Now from the get-go, let me just tell you there is no much difference between UI UX and product design. They are basically the same thing, but let me just try to separate it for you. Now UI simply means user interface and UX means user experience. Now UI is all about design. That is why it's very easy for a graphic designer to become a UI designer because they already understand the principles of design. Because it's still all about colors, all about fonts, all about how objects are placed, alignment, and the rest of it. And that is why the tools like Figma is very valuable for UI design. UX design, on the other hand, is all about psychology, it's all about human behavior, it's all about knowing what people want. Now, the principles of UX design, what you learn in a UX class is the same thing you learn in a product design class. It's not different because it's all about solving problems using technology, creating solutions to human problems using technology, either mobile apps, web apps, or apps for your TV, apps for your wristwatch, and the rest of it, right? It's all about the thought process that goes behind creating these products, creating these services, doing user research, and the rest of it. So if you train as a UI UX designer, you can also take up the role of a product designer. Exactly, because you already know everything or most things, 90% of the things a product designer would do, you know how to do it. Now, if you do a UI UX design course, right, you can stand out as a UI designer. There's some companies that need only UI designers. All they need is that the aspect of designing the app is what they need from you, and you focus on that. There's some companies that hire UX designers specifically. So when you see job roles that are UX designers, if you're a product designer, you can take up that role. It's the same thing. If you see a role that is a product design role, and you've studied UI UX design, then you can also take up that role. Now, mind you, the course we teach at Digital Skills School is UI and UX. We start with UX because if you don't understand UX, you would not be able to do designs properly. You must know the thought process behind designs, behind what the product owner wants to achieve with his product before you can now go to Figma and start designing everything. And so UX, it takes almost 3 to 4 weeks in the entire course because you must understand the thought process behind how products are created, what users want, what users would not want, and everything. And so once you understand that, that's exactly what the product designer does. And then before you now go to Figma and start implementing, we don't just start in any UI UX course that is what is sought. We'll not just start teaching you how to use Figma from the very beginning. Otherwise, you will not have the basic foundation of why you are doing the things you are doing. Because, for example, if you were to be given a project to design a bank app, for example, right, and you just jump into designing using colors, find colors, and the rest, when the owners of the product start asking you questions, okay, why did you use blue? Why did you place this button here? Why did you put this line here? You will not be able to explain it because you did not do the UX process before you went into UI. So I hope this video has been a bit enlightening. I didn't want to make it too long, but I hope you've been able to get some knowledge and experience. Please drop your comments down below. We'll answer all your questions regarding UI, UX, and product design. You can also send us a DM to know more about some of our courses. My name is Coach Atta. I'll see you on the next video.